We are back again, and Mr. Chambers is coming. Welcome, Mr. Chambers. Or should I say thank you for welcoming us?
Welcome to
again.
Oh yeah, shoot.
Yeah, man. So Ricardo is here.
Yes.
You know, so we are, you know, embarking on our own hydrofarming journey.
Yeah.
And this is the right man, you know. You know, to help us along that journey, because as we mentioned in the previous video, we tried some backyard gardening and it just never worked out. It's rough. You understand? Come in a little more. Yeah. The ground are fertile and the sun hot and everything is just conducive. You know what I mean? So we saw Ricardo's system. And we figured that this is the best thing that we should use, we should employ in our own, you know, backyard gardening. So Ricardo gonna guide us through that process.
Enough people purchase the local smart home garden system.
Yes.
And they have some amazing
results.
Yes. Yeah, man, trust me. Especially since the last video.
Yeah.
A lot of people know aware that there is something can solve them. The solution for them.
Yeah.
Especially in the Kingston area. A lot of people having quite a good amount of success.
Right, they were having challenges, but now they have a success.
No, we have a solution for them.
Yeah.
So who can grow them food? Now we have a solution for them. We actually have farms in all over in Kingston.
Yes.
We have a nice size one at the Abilities Foundation in Constant Spring.
Okay.
Across the polling station.
Okay.
And they're growing their own food and selling.
Awesome. Okay.
And that's a disability foundation.
Actually, we stay tuned to Ricardo TikTok, you know.
Yes.
You know, Chambers Hydrofarm TikTok, trust me. Only for nice content on it. So even that same farm that you mentioned, we see when you go and the lady them a package the lettuce for sell it. And the lettuce them fluffy and they must say, boy, you just late or we sell a portion a while ago.
Yeah, man.
You know?
We got check back on them, you know. We check back on the customer them and also we on our social media page we show our daily activities.
Yeah.
We not hide nothing. You love that. We want you to see what we are doing and grow with we.
Yeah.
As we grow, you see exactly what we're doing
and I do
share our daily activity.
Great.
That is awesome. You know what I like about you? I like your I like research.
Yeah.
I like the fact that I love that, because you see, once your mind is in tune to let me see how I can constantly change, or I can constantly learn something, or I can constantly improve on something, then you just have the recipes for success.
Yeah, that's one of the benefits of working with us, you know, because we're constantly researching. So when we get better, you get better. And unlike Amazon, where you purchase something and fight and you get on your own.
And that's it.
Yes. So as we get better, you get the last time you come, as you can see, what I done here, so we pull it down and we build something totally different.
Because now, let's say you have these pipes in the ground. What is going on here?
We're trying to do some research over here, so we have build one. We're trying to mass produce the onion.
The
onion and the strawberry. We really go after.
I like strawberries.
Yeah, man. The
so,
onion and
so what happened? You won't be growing those in that system you typically?
No, the onion and the strawberry now are going at the typical system there.
Okay.
Now we are good crop specific. So now that to find out so you can grow all these things hydroponically.
Okay.
Now that we get say alright then. The type of hydroponic that best for onion is this.
You're working with
the type of hydroponic that best for strawberry is this. For the people who want to make a whole heap of money and mass produce.
I would love to have vegetables readily available, more readily available, like using hydroponics, where I can increase the amount of vegetable intake of my family. You know? So you being the mastermind, like work through with me how we could get that done.
Alright, depending on the size of your family, you can say alright then. What we do now is you get one of the hydroponics farm. Depending on the size of the family, the size farm that you get. Maybe if it's a small family, like a nuclear family or a smaller family or anywhere within the reach, you can get the 50 plant one or the 121. The 121 would be more ideal if it's depending on how much you eat. So what we do now, we supply you with seedlings, or you can get your own. And what you do, you plant them in rotation. So you say every 2 weeks or every week you plant.
Oh.
Yes. So that when some of them big, some of them still just come up. The way you run out of nothing. None at all. Similar to what you do here. You plant every week, you harvest every week, we never run out.
Yeah. So basically you have this section right here, so on the end, like this 2 row. And then while you have that, then 1 year over here, so I grow.
Yes.
Then the next 2 weeks you plant the other ones. And then, oh.
So we have rosemary there, sir. We have sweet pepper, we have arugula, we have cilantro, we have
Arugula. I heard a lot of good things about that.
Arugula, it kind of spice a little bit.
Yeah.
It pepper like?
Yeah.
Okay.
It gives it enough flavor, kind of spice.
Okay.
We have Swiss chard, then we have lettuce. We have kale, tomato, we have mixed lettuce. The other herb, we have basil.
Wow.
Oh, we
actually planted.
pepper. We have hot pepper.
Right here, so I'll go right into the system. Wow, look at it.
Pick off the ripe one.
Couple pepper there still, so couple nice green pepper for the rice and peas.
Yeah, man, system all learn us. So then pick off it.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
I see a young one. See but.
Okay. So hot pepper can grow in this system at all. This is so good.
Research we are doing, man. We put everything.
Wow.
Yes.
I recommend if you grow it commercially in this size of pipe.
You
Yeah.
want to use in a bigger size pipe. You hear that, guys?
Or different designs.
You hear that, guys? So you can change the size pipes. Come link Ricardo. Link him too. Come link him.
Also we have
Oh, see, all tomato.
Yeah, man.
The tomato then I system some cherry tomato these like
Them are plummy.
plummy tomato.
Oh.
Plummy tomato.
Yes. Awesome.
I see one of the herbs, sage. And this are harvested many times and come back.
Okay. And again, with this system, it don't use a lot of water. Significantly less amount of water than the traditional in the ground. 90%
And that is very
less.
important to people like us, because we have some water bill with where we live. The water bill is normal. It's like when people that get like them 2,500 water bill, our water bill I come like 5 times that amount. So them really hit us. Water bill.
They definitely, if you see the water bill,
Yeah.
What something come eat this?
No, a cabbage in the but guess what? It fit to the bus up.
Oh.
So you ready to come out? But it's true I do demonstration purpose.
No repeat.
We kind of make it stay a little bit until the other cabbage come up because
want
people
to
come
show,
on tour.
Yes.
I want to tell them, say, you can't go cabbage night, man, like you hard for them imagine it unless they see it.
Yeah.
True.
Because it's kind of
understand.
fairly new to a lot of people.
Yes.
You understand? So we just leave it there for the time being.
Yeah.
Oh, see how some
more tomato, some nice tomato. Yes.
See there?
So this would I want in our thing too, you know.
Yeah, man, see then plummy. Just take it out and cut it up and drop it in your food and turn your right.
Definitely.
So the tomato are too heavy for the system.
No, man, a pipe this and this. You're more likely if you grow bigger roots and clog the system down too heavy for your system. Because see them grow and hang down, you know.
Yes.
Them are at the same pipe that run water come here and the same steel and use and make burger barrier or whatever.
So this is the root coming up to this, so it has spread wide.
That is, it's spread out, so you go and adapt the pipe.
Okay.
It will get, at times, it get really bigger and clog this pipe, you know. After a while,
So we have to do, take it out and replant?
Take it out and replant,
Okay.
And them are just some younger pepper. I will notice the plant, them adapt to surrounding, you know, so they start put on fruits early.
Wow.
Some upper pepper that's on the tree.
Okay. Well, we are really impressed with the system. Wow, see there? We're talking about parsley.
Parsley, yeah, man. Then
Parsley are come up.
And we have kale. So if you want to make a green juice.
Kale are plenty.
If you
Yeah.
want to make a green juice, you just come. And you come like this and you come. You just pick off one leaf. Blend up it in your juice.
Yeah. And you have more for tomorrow.
And, yes.
Because you know, sometimes you go exactly. Because sometimes you even like for me, you go to the market, you buy your grown produce. But what tends to happen is, I have to find creative ways of keeping the product that I've bought fresh.
Fresh.
Yes.
I'll tell you one thing. Today I reason myself in I said, Bombard, I remember the last time I got to the supermarket. And then I'm looking at my fridge. I said, I don't go to the supermarket and my fridge empty. But then I realized because I don't have no reason for store it in the fridge.
Yeah.
Okay, you already have it outside.
Pick them up when they're ready.
Like today now. And everything I'm cooking is actually from the community.
Straight from it.
Yes. The people them kill pig, I just buy some of the meat. Anytime people kill animal in the community, just get some of the meat.
You know, it's all time they think that's not. That was one of like the beauty of the Jamaican culture, the Jamaican community one time, where our foreparents never really had to depend so much on going to the shop to buy, because you grow, and where you grow can sustain yourself and the community, and everybody else around here grow too. So we just share and buy from each other, and
that's
you know.
That's how our community is supposed to run.
Yeah.
We're supposed to share in the community amongst each other. Some of the things that people buy, like made the habit of waste, and you have what you want a waste, but you win really know that. You understand? So like it's amazing when you live in a one rural community, especially one like this, a community. It's a good community.
Well, we want to get to the point where we don't have to buy everything. That something we still have to buy, but we want to have some things in our backyard. We want to have things growing in our backyard. I would love to have fresh herbs in my backyard where I can always make my mint tea. I would love to have mint tea. You know,
that's
the mint tea.
That's why we are at Chambers Hydrofarm.
Exactly.
Where we can get that. We can have that.
I could have some mint tea.
When we come out this morning, rosemary tea me have almost
you see that
every day.
Yeah, and that's nice, you know.
It's like it feels so good. Like when you come and eat your own food, and not just that, because like you almost say like you don't waste a lot of food because you know pick off the whole tree at one time.
Yes.
When we want apple, we just climb up that apple tree.
Yeah, but you pick what you want.
Just eat what you want and come down and make the belly full up.
Yeah.
Yes. So what I'm going to write is a Ricardo.
This is a basically what we are trying to create is a food banking. So as simple as this here, so I want people in the community actually come eat food after this.
Yes.
When they have hot pepper, thyme and all them something there, people just pick it off and go cook. It's a community food banking.
Yes.
We call it. This right here now is basically yam in it, and we plant it in a sawdust. We try to experiment the yam in the sawdust. And if you're feeling anything, so, a fat piece of yam actually grow.
Hold the camera. Yeah. Wow, yes. Oh my God, feel it. And the roots and everything is there.
Yeah, so it's
also sawdust.
It's an experiment, you understand?
And see the plant healthy.
Yeah,
see the leave them there. The plant healthy.
And this, I will put inspirational words for them to know, so when it keeps them apart and you can see it and say, one good,
your nose has to run. Yes.
And over here so we have more things we plant like them, but
it's a down a reap out already.
Yeah, man. So we have corn and okra and some of them, but we have to plant over again. So one cocoa full basket. You understand? So the artwork was done by the Stevie's Up Club picking them.
Yes.
And we have more yam over here so again, but this is yam in the dirt. You understand?
Nice red dirt.
Yeah, man, this is yam in dirt. We have thyme. We have thyme in the tire. Yes. So as you can see, cut back so obviously some people cut them thyme and go eat them thyme. Understand? So imagine.
Smell it, man?
It smells nice. Nice. So we have a fruit tree. Yes. Cereal. Lime. So we have lime. No, actually propagate this from my yard.
It's a tangerine.
Tangerine.
Okay.
Tangerine.
Alright. So even in your garrison, right, in your built up scheme, you can have the road, you know, corners of the road, you know, full of fruit, full of food. You know?
That is true.
It could be a median.
Yes.
It could be a bank inside. As you can see, the bank inside.
Right.
If you look over here, so it could be the side of your house, your fence wall.
Yeah.
You actually can see that. You can put food anywhere. Over here, so we have a plant in the night.
Wow, okay, this is different.
Yeah, man.
And I want pepper in there too.
We have pepper and mint and scallion. So we do. So you can actually come and eat the pepper and mint. So when it's a pepper tree you grow up, you know, just like that right there, so. And say you live up the street or around the surrounding and you want 2 pepper for your pot, just come pick 2 pepper.
Yeah.
So it's a food banking, you know, you can't run out of food.
Now the pepper here. If you just have the pepper randomly throw down in the dirt on the roadside, it wouldn't grow like this, you know. But you have nice soil and you put it in your container.
Yeah.
You know have the weed to deal with and all of that. So the pepper come nice and fluffy. Alright? Come closer with them can see.
And see they're in Jamaica, so Jamaica hot right now.
Yes.
Yeah, and the pepper tree are old. They're old. So and they still are produce.
Yes.
Scenery, you understand?
Yes.
Still are produce. It could have been not just a pepper, but it could have been anything. As you can see, something else right here, so scenery. As you can see, we have a fruit tree, another tangerine tree, and then we have the mint. So now, imagine that's for the house. You come out, pick your mint, deal with the mint, but it still look beautiful.
Yeah. And the lime leaf tea.
Anything.
Yeah. You pick up piece, even if you not beer, you pick up some lime and throw that in your water. Hot water, you're gone same way. Yeah.
Even yes and now, we have
Tomato.
tomato in here, so.
Pepper.
Hot pepper.
Yes.
And we have thyme. So they call it a seasoning. Because your thyme, your pepper, and your tomato, and your sweet pepper. All in one container.
Yeah.
And so the container look good.
Yeah.
You could actually put it close to your kitchen doorway.
Yes.
Anyway.
Yes,
You understand? Walk out to your kitchen and it still look beautiful.
Yeah. Alright, so currently we are at the Chambers Hydrofarm factory. You get me I say? This is where all of the background work is done. You know? Let's see a whole heap of steel frame over there, so we can go closer. Whole heap of pipe, various sizes, lengths over on this side. You know, so Ricardo can tell us more about this. Right, so Ricardo is basically making farming automated and make it, as you say, microwavable and photocopy it. So these are the system. So the system them there, right? So you can get a system with your pipes ready to plant, ready to grow. Alright, so Ricardo, tell us what we are seeing right here, so talk to me.
Well, basically yes is if I get instead many great business start in the garage.
Literally.
That's what you're doing right now. It's a garage business.
Yes.
So the whole entire company runs from the garage. So
30.
yes, sir, is everything. Yes, sir, is the house. Yes, sir, is the factory. Yes, sir, is the office.
Yes.
Yes, sir, is everything.
Yeah.
So do
workstation.
workstation. You do everything for around here. So around here, sir, you actually do all of the welding right in front of the garage.
Yes.
And then wait till you know. After the youth club, pick them. And we and everybody. We can exercise.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, we make everything ourselves. So as you can see, we grow all our food. You look down here, sir.
I am seeing.
All different food.
And I'm loving it.
Look on them papa there, what is it, man?
Yeah, tell you, man, and look on the orange tree.
Yeah, we'll show you what we have over there.
Yeah, orange fat, jeez.
No, almost I don't for orange.
So we come out in the morning.
Yes.
If you come eat, we just come out with my knife. Just walk through down there, sir. Kind of bush up right now.
Yeah.
But we have corn.
Yes.
We have pumpkin. We have papaya. We have tangerine. We have lemon.
Yes.
We have apple. We have mango. We have banana.
Yeah.
We have pear. We have sour orange. We have pumpkin and this. We have yam. We have everything I can think of. And this morning I actually got sitting there for my dinner. Got dig up some yam this morning.
Yes.
And pumpkin. And cook it with pork.
Yeah,
Are
okay.
you sick at all?
Eh?
Do you have any sickness?
Sickness? No, sickness. That I know of right now. Only thing, my allergies. My allergies always give me a hard fight.
You get your boxes printed with the logos on it and stuff like that.
Yeah, man.
So to explain to you what going right here, so where you put on them box here?
This is our packaging box. So people buy produce.
Okay.
They get in the box them.
Oh, like lettuce or whatever.
Yes.
Okay.
Already that product seen it,
Okay.
Even if you buy a farm, anything we
Need packaging.
need packaging.
Yes.
That can fit in a large box.
Yes.
You put it in the box.
Okay.
This is our ready to go 50.
Yes.
Yes, so it's actually a studio as well. So we shoot all the content.
Right, yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the boxes is actually a creative backdrop.
Backdrop, nice.
The box is a creative backdrop and so what do you know?
Hold on, Ricardo. Remind us. So this year, you can put by your veranda, by your back patio, by your roof, wherever. Right? So tell us about this.
Alright, this is the Ready to Grow 50. And actually, we do a work on this yesterday. I build up some Ready to Grow 50, the irrigation part.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So then the gym right there, so we build up yesterday.
Oh, yes. You basically build them up and tie them together.
Yeah, so we basically run a manufacturing from garage. So right now we are looking for mass production, so we are trying to build them up in a large quantity.
Yes.
So we can get them to the schools.
Yes.
So we have a few programs that we're working on to get this in all the schools in Nigeria. This is how we get in all the schools.
Yeah.
So this is now, I just build them and build up this. Build up this, but this is a little system we can grow 50 plants in your backyard. Very easy to use.
Yeah.
You can deassemble it, put it down. You come with 50 gallons of water. You come with the fertilizer. Actually, this is our system actually packaging and ready to go. So tomorrow morning, our carrier service partner can come pick this up and go. So this is like a 121 system.
121 system. What's in the bottles right here?
Then the fertilizer.
Okay. So this is what basically the water that basically we feed the system and water different.
The nutrition.
So this is how they feed it?
Yeah man, this is all the feed. This is nutrition they feed it and put water in it.
Oh, water as well as this. Okay.
Also, you tell them how much of these to put. To have
we send instruction of you never want to label on it, but you come with the label on it.
Oh.
And then you give the instruction of mix it.
Okay.
And also, everybody will purchase from us. We also send them instruction and we call it growing guidance tip because we don't want to know. If you purchase from us, we don't want it to fail. So we do everything possible to ensure success. That's a big benefit for working with us because if you fail, we fail.
Right.
If you're successful, we're successful.
Yes.
And we have a lot of people being very, very successful, even in their first go now. So
I'm excited.
I'm talking big farms, not just the small ones. Yeah, and then first go. So this is basically a pocket. This is your part of your couple irrigation. This will be a frame, as you can see. You can carry it in a vehicle. And this is system right here, so exactly what I see right there. So.
Okay.
Oh, it's easy to package.
Yes. So you can transport.
But this is basically the farm. You can transport your farm.
Yeah. So if you're moving, so for example. So if you live somewhere and you're move, you can pull it up down. Pull it. So even if you're girl together on the breakup, you can move.
Your landlord see a farmer going good at him start partying. Go with it.
That's what I think I'm about hydroponic farming is movable. It's so much benefit, but my life that is movable.
Yeah.
Like literally, like if the lease end, you can move with the farm. You never start from scratch again.
Yeah, you don't have to be saying, oh my god, I put in all this work.
Yes. So
I know I have to leave.
Yeah, exactly. So it's very, very easy to do, and it's something tangible that not going to work so easy.
Yeah.
Them are just irrigation holes and binding wire that you cut up and weld up binding wire. So every little thing with the buy myself right yesterday in the garage. Them are just other irrigation holes that build up.
Done.
Yeah. What I want to know, Ricardo, so the welding now, you brought in somebody that was a welder?
No,
the welding part? Because I realize that the welding look professional, you know.
Yeah, man.
When you look round, you know.
The welding is like a young youth, you know, do the welding from the community.
Okay.
So, what happened, you know?
So you get the skills from?
A lot of trade goes on in Jamaica like this. You do a trade, you look a young youth, hop around you and learn.
Yeah.
You understand? But what happened is, because they never go through no formal nothing where they get like a certificate to say I'm a electrician, I'm a
welder, okay, yes.
But they have a skill set.
Yes.
You understand? So what we do now, we search the people with the skill set and empower them by saying, okay then, come be the welder in the
Alright,
business.
okay.
Come be the electrician in the business. You understand? Because what for Jamaican youth, you know, can do great things, you know, but they don't get the opportunity.
Yeah.
That's why we would make the company run by youth. Alright, this is how we did this morning. This is one little piece of two nice size piece come out of the
my God.
Eh?
Look at it.
I rented this.
No man, this is
Yellow yam. Okay, it's a little whitish right there, so. Okay, yellow yam.
Yeah man, and
you see man.
you know the yam come out, you know. Because I want to grow my own, and this is what we did this morning, so we couldn't eat off all yellow yam. So this is a left back.
Oh my God.
So tomorrow when the crew come out work and this, and then, you know, you're gonna soup it up again, you know.
Yeah.
So the yam, when we get to start plant yam over here, you know, like my little brother used to bring. And my family them used to bring things from Chilani, food, yam. Come give me all the time. So I say, yo, don't bring back my yam, come give me, man. Give me more head.
Yes.
More the head that they plants, them more cane sucker, more the yam head, more the banana sucker, more the plant sucker.
Yeah.
So instead they bring me the food, empower me grow my own food.
Yes.
And if I not, you know, every time I go road, we dig yam and go roast. We dig yam and go cook on it, and we don't run out of yam again. So it's better when you can grow your own thing and produce your own thing.
So
about 2 banana I put in the in this morning. Because this morning I got ready for the children and so I cut off banana them right, put them in there. Pumpkin and all them something there.
Nice.
And papaya and all them something there.
Nice.
Yes.
Just walk through. So this is basically. You'll be surprised if you come here one time, everybody at work, but like I work there like tomorrow.
Yeah.
Like, you know how we find it.
So we'll insert footage of the guys working, you know. Recall, I was send with some footage to insert.
You know how we fit in this about people are sore, people are well, people are do everything here. Everything we do in the
same place, yeah, so.
Garage. Them say enough great companies starting a garage
of course.
Amazon and them
Google all them, Apple all of them, yes.
And Chambers
Start small.
Yes.
Start small and grow big.
And grow big, yeah man, that's the whole idea.
Yeah, frame right there, so how many farms this? Are the system, the little system, how many this?
Them I go find some bigger farm. Them are the farm where that can go road, go install.
Okay.
Commercialized farm them.
Okay.
Them now they look at 50 system them.
Oh, these over here?
To grow 50, yeah.
Okay.
So basically, every one of them here is pretty much one farm.
Okay.
Every one is pretty much one farm. Chance now is to mass produce them. So you can go buff Jamaica, schools, everywhere, hydroponic farm.
Nice.
You understand?
Nice.
This is rosemary.
Yeah, that's rosemary. So we use up all our yard space. If I walk in, come in. This is sure so use up all our space. I just show we start the door for building up, cut back on some of the planting. But over here so you can see rosemary.
I can see.
I want for rosemary this one.
Rosemary, good amount. This is one grape tree. This is a grape. This is a grape. This is a grape and another grape tree. We have this one research for the grape, but we have an accident where we spray the grass and spray the tree by
okay. Yeah. So Papa look
so
look prosperous.
So I'm on now, I can come out and why I come observe some pick off with my knife and start eat. We have corn.
Corn, plenty of corn.
Yeah, I said right now the yard we do everything. We have corn. We have yam grow in a bag. So we don't run out of food, none at all. No.
The first place I saw this was my mom.
Yeah?
My mom did this first, you know. So, my mom always farming. I don't know what that. She's always planting stuff. And we moved to a different location and we didn't have the big backyard that we used to have. So she started growing yam in the yard. But then when that space became obsolete, she resorted to the bag.
Open the door, Jaden.
Yeah man, the bag actually
why want me the door?
work because when I look pan, say, I know if I go out, when I'm ready to harvest yam, just cut the bag and I have to dig up nothing. But
So
this I could have put it on your roof.
Exactly.
I do anywhere. It's in a bag and you can put it anywhere. And we have some chocho. We planted some chocho. Because the idea is to turn the fence into a food fence. We actually had it one time when this whole entire fence was food. So basically all of the vine crops and like tomato and them stuff, we plant them along the fence and then grew up and the whole fence was just food. So now we turn the fence into a food fence and they actually help with privacy.
That's awesome.
Yeah, because if you look from down here, so chocho here, so if you look down the line, chocho, corn, yam.
Yes.
And when the chocho tree them bear up, the whole fence can just be like, just come out and pick chocho.
Yeah.
And the neighbor them doing it because chocho get up on the outside for them.
Yeah.
You understand? But you go show you say, a simple little methods like these, you can grow your own food.
So how deep do you need to plant the yam in a bag like this?
No man, you just dig out it with the head there and cover it up a little bit and then put it down deep. You just have to grow down.
It is going down.
Grow down, yeah.
Oh,
You can actually grow down.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
man. And
You
so,
don't need to have your stick, you need to have something for you to run on. So when you have a fence, you need to have a stick being
or a
planted.
card
So
or something for you.
Yes.
watch here. Jesus, it starts.
Yeah,
It's
so
out.
you could actually run. You could actually run from that there. Yeah. They might just scan up here, so we have some So fruits, vegetables and herbs, me no buy. You understand?
No, mommy.
You want me to lift you?
When you get the system, this is what you're gonna actually look like. So when you deliver to you, you're gonna have irrigation, a pipe, a fittings, a meter to test the water, pump, the binding wire, the mesh or a cup, the tank that you put the water in, and the frame.
Yes. This is it. Alright, so we're gonna go home and we're gonna start our hydroponics journey. Alright? Start our hydroponics journey, you know?
Yeah man, I want to say I appreciate you guys as well and thank you guys as well. From the last time you guys came and you do the future,
Yes.
a lot of people have actually reached out to me.
Awesome.
And they said that they find me through your program.
Great.
And I actually gained some additional customers through your program. So you actually build the nation.
Thank you.
And you actually helped me to
And thank you. And thank you. Now that's the thing about our audience, you know.
Yes.
You know, they are action people, them, you know. You know, progressive people, them. You know what I mean?
And we have so much in common with our audience.
Yes, definitely.
So that we are interested in renewing our audience, we really appreciate it.
Yeah man, and I appreciate your audience.
This is our farm, you know, right over here, so you see what I say? Yeah man, so we will be, you know, farmer, yeah, farmer Del Prat.
We are, yes, Del Prat the farmers. Farmer Del Prat. Well, alright, one more time to add it on. Courtesy of Ricardo Chambers and Hydrofarm.
Yeah.
Listen, every time we come here, we get new insight and it's never a dull moment. You have so much knowledge. And I am always we are always interested in persons like you.
There you go.
I think that you're brilliant.
Yes.
I feel that you have a good thing going here and I can't wait to see you in 1 year. But you saw it here again on the Del Prat family. Go and check out our previous video. Link up Ricardo Chambers at Hydrofarm. You can find his contact in the description box below.
Yes.
We're not really disappointed.
Yeah, man.
Farmer Del Prat.
So let's start our hydroponics journey, guys. So just stay tuned. Alright? You know what? Carry this over, we're gonna set it up. We're gonna see how we set up this thing. Alright? So just stay tuned. You know, we thank you again, Ricardo, for the opportunity. You know, so thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
Really appreciate, you know, the input.
Yeah,
you know,
man.
because the persons on the channel really appreciate this, you know, and we too will really appreciate this.
Yeah, I mean, it is something that we are interested in, of course.
Yeah, man. So, guys, if you like this video, share it with a friend and click the like button. You know, because a lot of persons in your circle would appreciate a video like this. Put it on the WhatsApp group, you know, and watch and, you know, comment about it. So, thanks for watching as always, guys. Remember, subscribe as well. You know, subscribe, the subscribe button right below and the like button as well. Thank y'all. We're out, guys. Peace. Yeah, man.
Peace.
Yes.
Subscribe. Grow your own food. Build a community.
Keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a